night on the balcony. Sam and Maya enter the balcony.
Look at the sky, Maya.
It's beautiful, but it's freezing.
Just look at those stars.
I see them. They are very bright.
Do you see the little town down there?
Yes, the lights look like tiny gold coins.
I wonder who lives in those houses.
Probably people who like being warm.
You are always so practical.
And you are always a dreamer.
What is wrong with dreaming?
Nothing. But your ears are turning red.
I don't care. The view is worth it.
I think we should go inside.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
Fine. 5 minutes only.
Look at the moon. It's so thin.
It's called a crescent moon.
I know that.
Then why are you pointing it out?
Because it looks peaceful.
It does look peaceful.
The snow on the trees looks like sugar.
Now I'm getting hungry.
Do you want some soup?
Yes, hot soup sounds amazing.
I will make it for you later.
You? You can't cook.
Hey, I can make basic things.
Toast is not a meal, Ioannis.
I can make noodles too.
We'll see about that.
Listen, do you hear that?
I don't hear anything.
Exactly, it's total silence.
I like the silence of the mountains.
It helps me think clearly.
What are you thinking about?
About the future.
What about the future?
Where will we be next year?
Hopefully somewhere with a heater.
You never change.
Why should I change?
Because life is an adventure.
I like safe adventures.
There is no such thing as a safe adventure.
Then I'll stay on the balcony.
This is our adventure for today.
Looking at snow?
Yes, small things matter too.
You're right. It is very calm.
Look, a shooting star.
Where? I missed it.
Right there near the big mountain.
Oh, I see it now.
Make a wish, Maya.
I wish for.
Don't say it out loud.
Why not?
Then it won't come true.
That's just a superstition.
Maybe, but it's fun to believe.
Okay, my wish is a secret.
My wish is already coming true.
What was your wish?
Just to spend time with you.
That's very sweet of you.
I know, I'm a great friend.
Don't be so arrogant.
I'm just being honest.
Anyway, it's getting really cold now.
Okay, let's go inside.
Finally.
I'll bring my sketchbook.
Did you draw the town?
I drew the whole valley.
Can I see it now?
Maybe after the coffee.
Is that a deal?
It's a deal.
The lights in the town are turning off.
People are going to sleep.
We should sleep early too.
We have a long walk tomorrow.
Through the snow?
Yes, to the frozen lake.
That sounds exhausting.
It will be beautiful, trust me.
I always trust you.
Even when I'm wrong.
Especially then.
Good night.
Good night.